Hey, back up at the sawmill and still in the learning process of everything. Got some boards over here that I've actually got standing upright that I cut the other day with my buddy Bob, and Kim says we need some 1x6s to repair some of the fence around the garden. So that is about what I'm getting ready to get up to. Hey guys, well, I'm getting ready to start cutting on this walnut log again that I got from my old boss that retired from the golf course, and so far so good. I've not had many hours. I don't even think I've got an hour on this saw yet. My schedule has been so busy lately, but this afternoon I've got a few hours, hopefully before the rain starts. And I'm going to share a little sawmill work with you. So I got to get at it. Wow, beautiful. Again, here's that void a little deeper inside, and again it just gives me some place that I can use some resin on this. That brings the color out. Very pretty. Today's really the first day that I've been able to come up here without having 2 or 3 other things that I need to be doing. So time to reset my stops and my clamp and cut another slab. Hey, it's a pretty windy day out here, or I should say up here on this hill. Blew so hard it blew my hair off. Anyhow, I'm about done with that sawmill video. We've got a lot of rain, and right now I'm still working on the drainage ditch or grading to get the water away from where the sawmill is. And I'm getting there with that. I had to take my sight level back to work. So right now I'm just letting the water tell me. It's a muddy mess, but like I say, I'm letting the water tell me where I need to go with it. So I'm gonna get back on the tractor and try to get to the house early enough to get this edited and out to you guys. Hope you've enjoyed what's been exciting for me with the sawmill. I've been cutting up this ash, cutting it real thin for certain projects that I'll reveal later. So anyhow, back to getting all this water out of here. Very deceiving. Looks like it's very downhill the direction I'm going, yet I'm still low up in this area. So I know this wind is annoying. So thanks for hanging out. And I'm sorry, something just popped up and blocked my screen. Thanks for hanging out. And I'm gonna get back in the mud.